All right, guys, we're going to look at number 11 together. Jeffrey drew two different fraction models. Use the models to determine which comparison statement is true. So we are looking for the truth today. We want to know which one of these statements is telling us the truth. So he drew these two different fraction models. The first one shows three hexagons together. So we know that that one is thirds. The second one used three hexagons again, but this time they split the hexagons each in half. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So this one is sixth. So let's look at our answer choices and see what we have to work with. A says 2/3, and it's pointing to 2/3. So it's saying less than. 2/3 is less than 2/6. So let's use our models and let's shade that. So we have 1/3, 2/3. So that represents the 2/3. And then we have 1 of our 6th and 2 of our 6th. So that is 2/6. So we have 2/3 and 2/6. They're saying 2/3 is less than 2/6. Well, we can tell that 2/3 covers more of the model than 2/6. So 2/3 is greater than 2/6. So this is a liar. All right, let's look at B. And I'm going to erase my work real quick. All right, B is saying 1/3. And it's pointing to the 2/6. So it's saying 1/3 is greater than 2/6. So here is 1/3, and here is 2/6. Well, 1/3 is one of those hexagons, and 2/6 is one of those hexagons. So actually, those two would be equal. So that's another liar. All right, C says 1/6, and it's pointing to it, so it's saying less than. 1/6 is less than 1/3. Well, our 6th are over here, so 1 of the 6th is less than 1 of the thirds. Well, 1/6 is just half of one of those hexagons, and 1/3 is a whole hexagon. So this 1/6 right here does look like it's less than 1/3. So this looks like our true statement. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at D before we make a decision. D says 2/3 is equal to 2/6. So here's 1/3, 2/3, and here is 2/6. All right, so is 2/3 equal to 2/6? No, it is not, because they do not cover the same amount of the model. So C was our answer. So we're going to circle C, and really quick before I leave you, I'm going to shade that picture in again just so that you can see it. So remember, we had 1/6 over here, and then we had 1/3. So that 1/6 was less than the 1/3.